All right, everyone, Joe here with Seaflo. We're going to do the unboxing of the multifunctional portable toilet. It is 20 liters, which is about 5 gallons. Great for RV, camping, marine use, wherever you don't have a toilet. So as do all Seaflo products, it comes with your warranty card. So it's pretty heavy duty, feels great, lightweight, so it's easy to carry around. There's directions that come with it. So this cap right here, you'd actually twist off, and this is where you'd put that blue disinfectant liquid in here. And then on this side is the pump. So you pull this up and start pumping to essentially flush that blue liquid through the spout up here. And then once you're done, you'd pull this as your flush, and you can see it opens up and the waste will go down. You can probably give a couple more pumps to get the rest of the waste down, close it up. Once you're done and your tank's full, you'll see there's a meter here. It'll get into red, basically notifying you that it's getting full and you should probably empty it out. To do so, it's cassette style, so you could open it up, remove the seat off, and now it's just a waste canister, and it has a holder here, so it's pretty easy to carry out. Make sure that the flush is closed. Turn the spout over, unscrew the cap, and as you're doing that, there's a pressure release valve here that you're going to want to press to let some air out so that you could have a good flow out. So that's your portable toilet. Really simple, easy to use, really convenient when you're going camping and everything like that. You don't have to dig any holes. And as a joke, we always say we don't accept returns. Just kidding. Thanks, guys.